Good morning, it's Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2006 Chevy Uplander. And this, like most of our vans, is a mobility wheelchair accessible van. I'll get right to the conversion. As you can see on the side of the van, this is a Braun Intervan. It's manual ramp and door. This van is ADA compliant. Door slides open very easy to operate, very little to go wrong. The ramp itself is spring assisted, and you can see I can grab it here with just one finger. Look here, I can take it out to the ground using one finger. I tell our customers, if you can lift a half a gallon of milk, you can operate one of these ramps and doors. I strongly suggest these are the electric ramps and doors if you can use them, because the cost and upkeep is by far more affordable when you do a manual ramp and door. The ramp is 30 inches wide, has over 600-pound weight capacity, 56.5 inches coming inside the van, 58 inches of headroom inside the van. Got this hard plastic like carbon fiber floor. You can see the tie down points there. We do give a free set of ratcheting tie downs away with each fan. The back seats look like they've hardly ever been set in. They're very clean. Both front seats are removable, so in theory, if you wanted to remove the passenger seat, put a wheelchair up there, it does have tie down points up front, and put a wheelchair here in the back, you could actually put tie down point up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in this van. So pretty clean interior. I do see the dash has a couple holes in it there. They probably had something mounted there at one point. This is a former government vehicle. We buy a lot of these. It's a former fleet vehicle, I should say. We do buy a lot of these. They've been well maintained. They've been kept up. They've had all the oil changes, so adult driven, haven't been smoked in. So overall, pretty clean. Has the rear air controls as well, so your passengers in the rear can get air also. And when you've got all your passengers secure, come on back out. Again, grab the ramp, pull it back up, and just folds. Very easy to do. I can do it with one hand, no problem. Slide your door shut, and you're ready to roll. Do a quick walk around to the van. It's got the tinted windows in the rear, keep you nice and cool in the summertime. This van does have some bruises and dents and things on it, scratches, okay, that's evident of a vehicle that's about 13 years old now. So if you're looking for perfection, you're looking in the wrong price range. If you're looking for a van that looks decent, it looks solid, it's not all beat up, doesn't have a bunch of dents in it. Got the alloy wheels. All the tires on this van are fair. The front ones are a little bit better than the back ones, but they're all going to need to be replaced at some point in the future. Scrape there on the bumper. Overall, headlights are still in good condition. They're not all fogged up. And the reason we do this video in the shade is on these hot days, if we do them in the sun, it'll overheat our cameras and our cameras will shut off. So we're not trying to hide anything by doing it in the shade. The shoe have some stickers on it. You can see the residue there from where the stickers were. So overall, it's not all beat up or anything. It's just shows signs of wear. It's been used. If you want to put some touch-up paint on this thing, you're more than welcome to. You can make it pretty as you want. I do see a dent right here. Doesn't appear to be huge. A little dent right there. The interior is fairly clean. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke. Does have a little bit of wear back there from where that ramp would dig in on the seat. It's got this vinyl on the outside, cloth in the middle on these seats. Interior is clean, carpet's clean. Obviously you got some wear on the seat right there. If that's something you want to get fixed, we can get these fixed for about $400. Folks, interior work is not cheap. I wish it was. So, every dollar we put into this van, we have to get back out of it. So, we do leave some things. We're not trying to make it a perfect van. We're trying to make it a van that runs and drives good. It's got 2 sets of keys. Got the keyless entry on one of these. Yeah, one of the keyless entry works. The other one currently does not. I'm guessing it's going to be a battery, but no promises. Has the owner's manual in it as well. When I go to start the van up, starts right up, first time, every time. You can see all the dummy lights work, check engine, ABS, airbag, all that good stuff. Current miles 264, 458. Let's pop the hood so you can hear it run. Underneath the hood is a 3.9 V6 engine. This is supposed to be one of the better engines Chevy made. I've heard a lot of good things about them. It's got a new battery over there. It idles smoothly. No signs of any major damage or anything. We do check these out underneath the van as well. And we list all the repairs we've done on this van. We have done a lot of work to this van. Underneath the van is fairly rust-free. I mean, there's a little bit of surface rust here and there, but overall it looks real good. I do see a new AC compressor we put up in there. We have receipts for all this stuff. AC compressors there, very expensive to get done on these vans. These vans are notorious for having an oil pan gasket leak. You see that oil right there? It's not dripping, it's not a major leak. To get those repaired though, it's a cheap part, but you have to lift the motor. It's about a $1,200 repair. Not a big deal. You can probably add oil, once a month to this thing. It'd be fine. On an economy van like this, we're not going to invest $1,200 into it to fix a tiny oil leak. If that's something you want us to do at your cost, let us know and we'd be more than happy to. And that's why we crawl underneath these vans. We try to show you everything about the vans. Know who you're buying from, folks. Buy from a company with a good reputation like us. We have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. And no matter who you buy from, have them get out, have them make a video like this, have them crawl underneath the van. Folks, if you buy a van that's all rusted out, that won't pass inspection in your state, then you can't drive it. I see these vans all the time for sale on the internet, up in New Jersey, Chicago, New York, and folks, they can't, they're all rusted out. They're never gonna pass inspection in your state. So no matter who you buy from, have them get out and make a video like this. And if they won't make a video, then what are they trying to sell you? What are they trying to hide? I don't know. That's between you and them. But that's why we make these videos. Buy from a company with a good reputation that's going to take the time to make sure you know exactly what you're getting. So let's get the van on the highway. Before I do that, I want to show you. Tested these mirrors, power windows, radio, AC. We've tested all this stuff. This is not some van you come to look at. It's got a bunch of problems they didn't tell you about. Okay, power mirrors. Power mirrors work. Let's get it on the highway so you can hear it run. Before I get the van on the highway, I just wanted to show you these do. Older mobility vans are notorious for rattling a little bit. So no, it's not horrible, but I just wanted to show that to you before we get out on the highway on these bumpy roads. Okay, last portion of the video. I always like to get the vans on a test drive, run them hard on the highway so you can see that, whether we have it delivered to you, where you come in and pick it up, we've done our best to make sure this van is roadworthy, that it runs nice on the highway, and that it'll get up to 70 miles an hour, no problems. Got up to about 70 there. Runs and drives nice and straight down the highway. The steering wheel doesn't bounce back and forth, so it's got tires appear to be in balance. Cruise control set, got it set about 62 miles an hour. And I know there's a lot of companies out there selling mobility vans. You need to ask yourself, do they have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau? Because we do. Do they have over 500 positive reviews on eBay and 0 negative feedback? Because we do. Folks, that's 500 people that said we did a good job. 0 said we did a bad job. Reputation matters, folks. Do they get out and make a video of the van for you? Do they crawl around on the ground? Do they get underneath the van so you can see exactly what you're getting? Because obviously we do. Do they have any hidden administrative fees, document fees, tag fees? Ask them. Because we don't. That's not how we do business. Our price is what you see is what you get. Can they help you with shipping? Because we can. We own a shipping brokerage. So when it comes to price, all the service we've done on this van, all the receipts that we have, everything we've done to make sure you know exactly what you're getting, no one can compete with our prices and what we're putting on the table. As you can see, we come brake off the highway. No unusual vibration, no squeaking, no grinding. So is this a brand new van? Of course not. Is this a van that runs and drives nicely? Air conditioner works, shifts smoothly. It's not going to win any car shows, but it still looks to be in fairly good condition, clean interior. That's been fully inspected. That's what this van is, and all for a very affordable price. So if you ever want to come look at this vehicle or any of our other vehicles, please always give us a call first. I know your time is valuable. 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name's Jeremiah. You'll probably get myself or Micah. Check us out 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. Check out our entire inventory. Call us if you have any questions. Check out our new Dallas inventory as well. We now have a location open in Dallas, bigtexmobility.com. Check us out, and as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.